Hello friends, welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to change the cursor in Roblox. I want you to follow each step carefully. First, visit the website sweezy-cursors.com. This website offers hundreds, perhaps thousands, of custom cursors. Decide which one you want to use to replace your Roblox cursor. Once you've decided which cursor to use, click the download button in the bottom right corner of the cursor. Then click on Cursor for Roblox and Pointer for Roblox. Move the two files you downloaded to your desktop. Next, right-click on Roblox Player and select Open File Location. Then open the Content folder. Open the Textures folder. Open the Cursors folder. Finally, open the folder named Keyboard Mouse. Now, rename the two files you downloaded to match the names in this file. Don't delete the two files belonging to the default cursor and move them to another folder. This way, if you ever want to revert to the default version, you can use them again. Final step, move the two files you downloaded and rename to this folder. Let's open Roblox and check it out. As you can see, the cursor has changed. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to change the cursor in Roblox was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.